Hello everyone, welcome back to Fixing Expert. Today, we're embarking on a delicious journey to discover the best Chinese restaurants in Dubai. From traditional flavors to modern twists, these restaurants offer an incredible dining experience. Let's dive in and explore the top spots where you can enjoy the finest Chinese cuisine in Dubai. 1. Hakkasan. First on our list is Hakkasan, located in the luxurious Atlantis, the Palm. Hakkasan is renowned for its contemporary Cantonese cuisine. The elegant decor and sophisticated atmosphere make it perfect for a special night out. Don't miss their signature dishes like Peking duck, dim sum, and the famous crispy duck salad. 2. Din Tai Fung. Next up, we have Din Tai Fung, a world-famous Taiwanese chain located in Mall of the Emirates. Known for its delicious xiao long bao soup dumplings, Din Tai Fung offers a variety of delectable dishes. The casual and lively ambiance makes it a great spot for family and friends. 3. Zhenghe's. Zhenghe's at Jumeirah, Mina Asalam offers a unique blend of traditional and contemporary Chinese cuisine. The restaurant's waterfront location provides stunning views, perfect for a romantic dinner. Be sure to try their dim sum, Beijing duck, and the sumptuous seafood dishes. 4. Shang Palace. Located in Shangri-La Hotel, Shang Palace is a classic choice for authentic Cantonese food. The restaurant's traditional decor and warm ambiance provide an inviting atmosphere. Signature dishes include barbecued meats, steamed dumplings, and the famous beggar's chicken. It's a must-visit for any Chinese food lover. 5. Royal China. Royal China, situated in DIFC, is a favorite among locals and expats alike. Known for its exquisite dim sum and wide variety of Cantonese dishes, Royal China offers a sophisticated dining experience. The restaurant's chic decor and excellent service, and there you have it, the best Chinese restaurants in Dubai. Whether you're in the mood for traditional Cantonese cuisine or modern fusion dishes, these restaurants have something for everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Fixing Expert for more food and travel guides. Have any favorite Chinese restaurants in Dubai that we missed? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.